Managing your recruiting pipeline on Top Echelon is a game changer for those looking to streamline their hiring process. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through exactly how to do that with this powerful software. If you're new to Top Echelon, stay tuned until the end, where we'll not only break down how to manage your pipeline, but also tell you how you can use this tool completely free, thanks to an exclusive offer linked below. First, let's dive into the core of Top Echelon's recruiting pipeline management. When you start using Top Echelon, the first thing you'll notice is its user-friendly interface. The dashboard gives you a quick overview of all your recruiting activities, helping you stay on top of open positions and candidate statuses. Now, managing your pipeline effectively means more than just tracking applicants. You'll want to customize your pipeline stages to fit your recruiting needs. Top Echelon lets you do that, creating a fluid system that works for you, not against you. From initial contact to placement, you can define each stage of the process and track the progress seamlessly. One of the standout features is the ability to use advanced filters and search capabilities. Let's say you want to focus on a specific type of candidate or a particular stage in the recruiting process. Top Echelon's filters make it easy to target and manage specific segments of your pipeline. This ensures that you're always working with the most relevant information, keeping your focus sharp. Another thing to love about managing your pipeline on Top Echelon is the automated workflow. As you move candidates through your pipeline, Top Echelon automates reminders and notifications, so you never miss a beat. This reduces human error and saves time, making your recruiting process more efficient. It also helps ensure that no candidate falls through the cracks, which is critical when you're dealing with multiple candidates at once. But here's where it gets even better. Top Echelon has built-in collaboration features, allowing you to seamlessly share candidate details and updates with your team. This helps keep everyone on the same page, regardless of where they're located. No more redundant emails or lost information. Everything is centralized in one system, and it's easy to communicate within your team. Top Echelon also integrates with other recruiting tools, meaning you can centralize all your recruiting efforts and avoid toggling between multiple platforms. Whether it's job boards, email tools, or other CRMs, you can sync everything in one place. This is a huge time saver and ensures that you can focus on what matters, building relationships with the best candidates. As you manage your recruiting pipeline, don't forget about the analytics. Top Echelon provides detailed reporting that gives you insights into your recruiting efforts. Whether it's tracking the efficiency of your pipeline or identifying which sourcing methods yield the best results, these analytics can help you fine-tune your strategy for the best possible outcomes. By now, you can see how Top Echelon simplifies pipeline management with its customizable stages, powerful search capabilities, automation, collaboration tools, and analytics. But wait, there's more. By using the first link below, you can get access to this software completely free, along with some exclusive bonuses to help you hit the ground running. So don't miss out. Manage your recruiting pipeline with ease and efficiency using Top Echelon and take advantage of our extended free trial offer today.